ACGMs is one of a top seafood importer. It serves a lot of big retail customers and food service customers, and we are one of the big volume suppliers into the country as well. As a vertically integrated shrimp company, our main species that we bring in are Vanamai black tiger in a commodity space, and we also bring in a lot of value-added shrimp as well. In addition to these shrimp varieties, we bring in a lot of fish varieties, cod, flounder, salmon. Some of these are Alaskan species, and also bring in a lot of tropical fish. The sweetwater fish like tilapia and swai. We also bring in red snapper, lobsters from South America, Argentina shrimp from South America. We bring in product from 15 different countries, from 25 different kind of species that we bring into country every year. We cover pretty much the whole globe. We've been operating in US for about 25 years now. We existed longer than that in India as a vertically integrated shrimp company. Hatcheries, farming, processing has always been our background, and we provide the sales support for our customers' needs. So we provide end-to-end. It's our product that we go through these channels and reaches the customers. Even though we are a shrimp company based out of India, we grew over the years into this full-fledged, full basket seafood company where we are today. So we needed sales outlets to sell those products to different companies. We started in USA. It was hugely successful. So we wanted to replicate what we are doing across the world. We are in Canada now. We are in Europe. In Europe, we are in multiple countries as well as in UK. We have about 5,500 to 6,000 employees in the whole group. Most of the employees are in India. We have about 80-90 people in the front end supporting customers from distributions to operations, everything 80-90 across 4 regions: North America, Canada, and Europe. So we have a sales team of 10 people in US and then few more in Canada. As a vice president of operation and sales, I run those teams on a day-to-day basis, working with the teams on any challenges they are having, to determining the next steps in an operations. Where do we need to be at the end of the year, kind of a deal. So I run end-to-end of both sales and operations for ACGMs and its subsidiaries. We are really on a search for a good system for, I would say, good 1 year, 1.5 years. We looked at few solutions like Microsoft Dynamics. We looked at some customized solutions that people developed, and we even looked at developing a system for ourselves because we weren't happy with the existing systems as they are. And then we found Zoho Inventory. Zoho system in general, especially Zoho Inventory, helped us to be where we are today. Without it, we won't be able to have a distributed team that we have today. Like we have salespeople all around the country. We have back operations in India. We have logistics people, all around the country. Even though we have small local offices, but everybody is distributed. Without using a system like Zoho Inventory, we can't even imagine functioning today. That was a big challenge back then when we are in Excel days. When we are in Excel days, we don't know how to manage the inventory properly. We don't know where each sale is, and we don't know where which customer paid for what, which invoice is paid, which invoice is not paid, how much pending from a customer, things like that. Everything is everywhere.
So the problems that were caused there were we didn't have enough traceability or visibility of the product that we had available. So once we integrated into Zoho, it gave us the visibility and the traceability with our sales, our invoices, and our inventory. So we have 2 ways of doing purchase orders. The first one is more direct sales to our customers, and the other one is a drop shipment.
So both our sales and sales support uses Zoho Inventory for everyday operations, for creating SOs, POs, bills, invoices. Our sales rely on that on a day-to-day basis. When they have a product that is sold for a customer, they will get in touch with the sales support team, who then creates a quick PO for a customer, which is approved by sales. And then it goes for release and so on.
Zoho Inventory has improved our workflow 10 times better. We have more visibility, more traceability of what we sell and what inventory that we have left available. and it speeds up the process of getting more information to our customers and what we have in stock.
We can't really imagine working without Zoho today, and the whole team is really happy with everything we have there.